Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new Google account on your Android device in 2025, step by step, in the simplest way possible. Whether you need a second account for work, school, or just to keep things organized, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process on any Android phone. And yes, this works perfectly with the latest Android updates in 2025. So, grab your device and stay with me till the end, because by the time we're done, your new Google account will be up and running in just a few taps. Alright, let's get started. Pick up your Android phone and follow along. First, go to Settings on your phone. You can do this by swiping down and tapping the gear icon or opening it from your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Google. If you don't see it immediately, just type Google in the search bar at the top of your settings screen and select Google Services. Now, look for the little right arrow at the top right corner of your screen. This lets you switch between Google accounts. Tap that arrow, and you'll see a list of all the Google accounts currently linked to your phone. Here, we want to add a new account, so tap Add Another Account. If your phone has a lock, it'll ask for your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. Go ahead and unlock it. You'll now be taken to the Google sign-in page. At the bottom, tap Create Account and select For My Personal Use. Now enter your first name and last name, then tap Next. Choose your birth date and gender, and tap Next again. This is where you'll create your custom email address, your new Gmail ID. Type in the username you want. If it's available, you'll move on to the password step. Create a strong password and then tap Next. You may be asked to confirm your password again. Just repeat it and move forward. Finally, you'll reach the Terms and Conditions page. Scroll down and tap I agree. And that's it. Your new Google account has been created. Now you'll be taken back to the account selection screen. Tap the right arrow again and you'll see your newly added account listed with the rest. You can now use this new account for Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, Play Store, and all your other Google services right from your Android phone. So, what do you plan to use your new Google account for? Let me know in the comments, whether it's for gaming, business, or something else. And if this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.